Hey, welcome everybody to the Mobile Wizard install. We're going to show you a little bit how to install the Mobile Wizard on your local ThemeJack site. First thing you need to know, install of the niche on your demo site via either the WordPress theme date update feature, which you'll find at the top of the column on the left side of your WordPress site. Click on the update, and we'll show you that in just a moment. Or either you can do install with the ThemeJack installer plugin, which is in the lower left side of your installer. Warning, warning. If you update via the settings under the ThemeJack, right here, ThemeJack settings, if you update your theme this way, everything on your site will be replaced, all of your content. So unless you're just wanting to eliminate everything on your site, do not use this approach. Do not click here and click here to update, and then click here and go down and update the theme. You will have a problem, believe me. Okay, so that being said, we're going to do an install on a clean site. So here we are. I'm on a demo site. Here we are at the top of the dashboard. If you go to updates and you want to update your theme, you can do that right here. If it's showing, there'll be a box here. You can click it, update your plugin that way. Or you can go to the ThemeJack installer down here and go through this process. Choose your deal. Click submit. And it's updated that way. Then you can come here and your site will be updated. Okay, so you need to do that. Update your license. That will update the current theme that you have. Okay, so when you go here, this site will be current. So as is mine is, see, noted is version 2.68. Sorry. 2.0. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go to our ThemeJack settings and set up our page. Normally what I like to do here is change that to my own email address and change this to my phone number. Click Save Changes. Okay, so on this page, that is your contract page, change that. Then you can go to your header page, check on two sections. It won't be checked more than like if you just did a fresh install. Eliminate the logo that's here by clicking the little button, the red button that's here. Click company name, and then what I like to do, I set the font size at 24 because I found that anything over that tends to stack on a mobile. Choose colors. In this case I chose a basic color with a shadow background, bolded it. Then the next thing you want to do is go to the Mobile Wizard, okay, and make sure this box is checked. And there are a couple of things you need to check out. Right here, this needs to be changed. This is wrong. I corrected mine already, but this sentence is incomplete. So you want to add something, search with, search for, search on, whatever you feel like is a proper English for you. Put that there. And then come down here to the call to action text. Change that. I added an HTML code BR, which is a line break, and put my phone number, line break, and that gives you 3 lines. Contact us now, my phone number, third line for a free consultation. Click Save Changes. Okay. Alright, then what you want to do is come up here to the pages, add new. This is where a lot of you are skipping the process here or missing it. You need to put in a new page. I'm going to call mine Mobile Site Check. You can name it anything you want to. Here's the key part. You need to go right over here to the page attributes and under template, click Mobile Wizard. Mobile Wizard, okay, and then publish that page. Okay, and of course then you can take a look at it here by view page, so you know it's right, correct. Okay, here's what it's going to look like. It should look like this. If you run into a problem and it is not like this, either refresh the page again or come back here to your ThemeJack setting, okay, to the Mobile Wizard page, and click Save Changes again. Then come back here, refresh this page, and it will be right. Notice here are some of the changes we made. Okay, here's that section I talked about that needs to be changed, added search with. Notice I put a break here, put it down here. Notice it changed this page, contact us now, phone number for a free consultation, 3 lines. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Hopefully that helps you. All right, and then we're going to go to Sales Dynamite. Okay, and of course, normally here's what that looks like empty. You're going to upload a file, and I'm going to go ahead and do this part, and then I'll show you how to do it over on the Lead Finder Jack. So you can choose a file. In this case, I'm going to choose a small one so it doesn't take long. Load it up. Okay, so file's loaded. So here's what you have. Okay, so let's take a look, make sure it's working right. Go down here, look, find one of your sites that has a URL, a company URL. It won't work without a company URL, their page will be blank. And let's go to View, and we're going to right click that, and let's take a look at that page. So here we are with our page right here, and what their page looks like on a mobile device. Okay, so there we go. That's what they're going to see when they come there via the email from your Lead Finder Jack system. Okay, so that's where we're at. That's how that gets done. Okay, so let's set up for the next one. Okay, so here we are on a search we've done. Okay, and what you want to do, of course, is go to your demo URL and insert where your demo URL is that we just created a site for. Okay, in this case, it's http://carpet.yourmarketingdr.com. That's where it is. So you want to save that. Okay, and then notice I unchecked this box. Include with no email, because I don't want any that don't have an email. And then I also chose URL yes, because I only want people who have a URL already and have an email. I also auto selected the emails right here. Okay, and it selected all of those for me. So this is ready to go, except 2 things need to happen. First of all, I need to have my Mobile Wizard template set up. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here's the template that Jack gave us. There it is with the subject company name token right here. Google says blah 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 blah. Here's the site. One thing I will tell you that you need to know about it as you put in the demo URL tracking, the first one will be, if you tell it yes, it will give you a 1. Any subsequent demo URLs, you need to make sure that that number is changed to 0, or when you send an email, this will not show up as the link. It will show up just like that. Demo URL tracking equals 0. Looks ugly in the email and does nothing. Second thing I did in my email is I added the email track open token, which is you go here and you click open track, tell it invisible, click OK. Okay, if you want to do that, that's what you do there. Okay, so that's all of that. You save it. Okay, and then you are ready to go back to your campaigns. And then what you're going to do is you're going to export that. But before you do that, what you want to do is go to emails, and you want to choose Mobile Wizard. Now, let me put that back so you can see it. Okay. Whoops, sorry. It will be over here in this column. You choose it, put it over there in that column, save it. Okay, it's ready to go. Then of course, what you need on your website, you're going to export it. There's what it looks like. You're going to check that. It should be what you chose already. If not, enter it here. Tell it OK. Know where you're going to put it here. Okay, this is so that you can find it to export. Click OK. And boom, it's done. It's ready to go. Then you're going to go import that back into your SD file, or back into your website under your Sales Dynamite Jack. Then when that's done, you're just simply going to come back to your Lead Finder Jack,